Welcome to the Snake Pit.
What's up, YouTube? TheRealCobraBurnout. Friday, late Friday. Just got done with the blog talk radio. I was a substitute on the panel in the studios for Joey Cuz. Real fun show tonight with Big Redneck Papa. Go check him out. Alright, so beer fridge shout out times. Got a couple of swag to go in the beer fridge, so let me open it up. Open them up. Okay. First one is from Rick, aka Is Your Six Covered, and I actually won this decal. It's one of those things. Yeah, you gotta win his. He ain't giving you nothing. All right, here it is. A little love letter here. It says, "Hey," oh no, it says Cobra. Hey Matt. Hey man, thanks for all your support videos. You're the best dude ever on the planet. Dude, he must be from Cali. You have the greatest channel on the planet. I'd love to... Oh, I can't read the rest of this. Sorry. Well, let's keep that to myself. Okay, here's the swaggage. There's his logo. Something a little phallic about it, but Is Your Six Covered there. What's this? He put in an extra one. What's this say here? Shoot them in the face. That's a little violent. But I'll put it somewhere. I'll go in the beer fridge, but it might go somewhere else. Okay, cool. Check him out. I'm gonna put links to these two channels
Down below.
Whoosh! I like them Guardians of the Galaxy posters. Next. Oh, Muzzle First. Muzzle First. Ooh. Okay. Now you're doing it right. Big old love letter right here. To the real Cobra Burnout. My loins yearn for you. I'll save this for later. That's a personal letter. Okay. Muzzle First. But check this out. That's a magnet. I love the magnets. Let's get them on the beer fridge here. There's that cooler there. That's my makeshift humidor, which I actually have something that I'll be unboxing later that might take its place. Look at that. Oops. I'll zoom in a little bit here. Okay. Should be good enough. Alright. So, let me get down here. Let me get down low. Get down low. How are we going to do this here? You know, it'd be cool to have that in the middle. Muzzle First. We'll put him there. He's a little magnet action. That way that's going to look nice, kind of more in the middle there. You're going to get the kind of center of attention, so to speak. If I can ever get your freaking decal. You guys hear my knees cracking? The VA says you're all good, but some days I can barely walk. Go figure. Nice. Just enough room for that. Okay. So, tradition. I'll do a little shout out for all of the channels up on my beer fridge here. Beer fridge shout out time. Smilemoney. That's mine. saltyshellback. 504 Dirt Dart. Sure miss you around the tubes. MrBulletpoints, you've been cranking out some vids lately. Stay safe. That's mine. We got Cmax Arms. Keep throwing him prayers. We got Thecrazy Scotsman. This dude loves my junk. HrntFixr. He's always up on my nuts. Pop's Quest. Well, this is actually Pop's Cabinet Shop and his other channel, Pop's Quest. So let me move the shark down. Fowl Fanatics, I got that from Eric Karstens. Eric C, I think is his YouTube channel. Mosin the Nagant channel. Good dude right there for some good vids, some Mosin action. What do we have here? Oh yeah, Flint and Steel Survival. That's such a small one right there. DriveShaft Drew. My brother up in, from another mother, up in the Great White North. TwistedMetals of Texas. Carolina man. He's been working on his Mustang. That's awesome, man. Great project. The SCAB Ugly channel. And now we have our newest additions. Muzzle First and Is Your Six Covered? Alright. Go check out these channels if you dare. Let them know the real Cobra Burnout sent ya. Boom.